And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxing. So right now what we have here is the very latest from the Firgure-rise standard. We have Masked Rider Kuuga Ultimate Form. Yes, and in his box art you see him in his ultimate form battling in the Gubazeba. Yeah, the main big bad which was featured in episode 1 as a mummy, but later on gained powers. And yes, this is from a scene in the series where they battle it out and somewhere in the snowy mountains. Yeah, so that's the box art. And off to the side we can see here Kuuga ultimate form front and back. We can see that it has improved mobility and improved posing styles. And yes, you can replicate the scene from the series, where his hand is flaming. And if you want, you can use the black eyes to, replicate his form from Kamen Rider Decade. And yes, as you can see here, not much secret is used in the gold plating parts or in the gold line parts. Nice. Off to the other side. Yep, this is what I meant earlier from the snowy mountains. Yeah, in the series, that's it. Kuuga ultimate form versus and the Gubazeba here. Kuuga ultimate form here, and of course you have some details about the kit. And now let's take a look inside the box. So first off, as you can see, we have one sprue that is gold plated. Yep, and this is what I told you, but no more linings for front. It's for the parts, but it's individual separated already. Nice. Next is again, since Kuuga ultimate part is all black, this is all black except for this part wherein it's gray for the belt. So 2 sprues here, and another sprue with, hold up, this is something new. This is the new stand right now, I think so. Yeah, so this is a new stand that they provided, and 2 more sprues of black, another sprue of gold. I think this sprue is present from since Kuuga mighty form, and another sprue with all black and a multicolored one with black and the fire effects earlier, and something for the belts. Yep. And lastly, yep, we can see here is the instruction manual. Masked Rider Kuuga Ultimate Form. Yep. So this was teased when after Kiba was shown. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is mostly all black. We have this was this is the same sprue as Kuuga Mighty and the other Kuugas, except for this part, which is previously red, but now it's black. The black compound eyes, yeah, parts of the belt here. Yeah, so that's the A sprue. We also have the B one here. Again, yeah, still from Kuuga Mighty. Yep. B1. It also has a B2 here, which is all black as well. We are missing a C1, but we do have a C2, which is again the gold accents, still from Kuuga Mighty. Yep. So that's a C2. We have then a D, which I think is pretty much a very new sprue here for the new parts for Kuuga Ultimate Form, especially for the belt and the mouthpiece here, and the flaming effects that are over there. It also comes with an E1. Again, more new parts because the limbs are different from Kuuga Mighty here in Ultimate Form. We have it, that's an E1, which is all black. Of course, it has an E2 for some parts that needs to be duplicated. And of course, the new plate again, or the new sprue, which is all gold for the gold parts of Kuuga Ultimate, wherein you don't really have to paint the lines gold because it's already there. It's already separated, which is cool. And something new, which is, from the standard stand, they moved from that into this one. Not sure why. But yeah, this is good actually. And of course, we have some sticker sheets, and most of the sticker sheet here, or most of the stickers, is for the compound eyes, the hands, yeah, parts of the limbs in Kuuga. I don't know where this is for in this, but yeah, that's it. And there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of Masked Rider Kuuga Ultimate Form figure standard. So I'm not sure if this is the only normal release for some Ultimate Forms, because I did see a Fize Blaster Ultimate Form in P Bandai. So I'm not sure. Anyways, after this, I think most exciting is coming this January, because they're starting with the Reiwa with Kamen Rider Zero One. Well, anyways, this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, hitting that notification bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.